explain this in very simple words so easily you can understand the meaning of samadhi or mahasamadhi. Two words are there, samadhi and mahasamadhi. See, dhi. Sam means balance. Dhi means our intellectual system. When our intellectual system in balance, it means the person is in samadhi. So samadhi, we can say, if a person, this intellectual system or mental system is become in balance, it means this person is ready to enter in wisdom. When a person, like according to yoga, the samadhi word is last. There are 8 steps are there: yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyan, and samadhi. Samadhi also there are many different kind of samadhi, but I don't want to chant in much detail. I would like to simplify it so you can understand easily about the samadhi. There are many impurities, many thoughts. They are disturbing us. So until these thoughts are there, like ego, anger, jealousy, hate, fear, greed, because of this, in the mind, many different kind of thoughts is moving inside. So in samadhi, when is these thoughts, like this kind of thoughts is stop, and then automatically our intellectual system, our mind is become very balanced. This is the state of samadhi. Sometime if you go to the lake, if if wind is there, waves are there, you cannot see your face in the lake, in the water. And when there is no wind, no waves, and then water is become very like a steady, calm, then you can see your face. So same way, when everything is become calm, peace, then automatically, you know when mind is become like balanced, and then you can see your inner wisdom, then you can see your true identity, your truth, your inner god, your shakti. So when is everything is become calm, and then this state of consciousness is called samadhi. But people are using the another word like Shiva telling some mahasamadhi. Normally people are using this word. There are two kind of mahasamadhi means like when a person is like in ultimate peace, joy. When a person is then living liberation all the time, this state of consciousness is called mahasamadhi. So this is the like officially means like according to yoga, this is the real meaning of mahasamadhi. But also people are using this word in different way for mahasamadhi, that I would like to tell you. Yes, another is like all sadhaks or sadhus, when everything is becoming balanced, then we say he is a samadhist sadhu, samadhist sadhak. But means he is very balanced. His system is very balanced. His intellectual system is very balanced. His mind is very balanced. His inner system is very balanced. There is no impurities. So we say samadhist sadhu, samadhist sadhak. Matlab this sadhu or this sadhak is in the state of samadhi. And when some sadhu, some swami or some sadhak, when he has having some like everything is balanced in this state of consciousness, when he leave the body, this when he leave body, because they believe that body is also little obstacle. If he living in the body and then he need food, he feel hungry, he need sankalp means some wish desires is also come, because if someone having body and then body need to many things, then body need hot water or cold water or like food, tasty food, some comfortable. So there is not very deep desire, but very surface desire is necessary, basic wish. And when a person leave body and then there is no desire, nothing, everything is finished, so this sadhu is gone in mahasamadhi. So in simple words I can tell about the samadhi. But samadhi also having different state of consciousness, like some people like we say savikalp samadhi, nirvikalp samadhi, sabij samadhi, nirbij samadhi. So this state of savikalp means some desires are there, but some is not. Some people, they are totally entangled with the desires. And some people, they are not totally entangled with desires, but there are still some desires. And so is sabikalp samadhi. And when a person, it doesn't matter whatever is there, he enjoying, you know they are not much thinking about the desire. So in this state we can say nirvikalp samadhi. And mahasamadhi, like and how to know that this person is in mahasamadhi or not? Because until a person is alive, living, some wishes, some desires, little bit, it has not very deep desire, not entangled the desire, but some wish, some sankalp, some wish is there. Mahasamadhi means like when there is no any kind of wish, desire, totally merge in Brahman, totally merge in ultimate truth. This state of consciousness is called Mahasamadhi. Yeah, so this is, I can, simple words I can tell these words about that.